Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can rename a chat on DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and start the video now. First of all, open deepseek.com on any of the browsers you have on your PC. You will be seeing this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on Start Now. If you already have an account, you'll be headed to this interface, or else you can easily create an account. So you can see your previous chats on the left hand side. You can click on this option over here, and you can see on the top is the name option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can remove what has been written and you can write down the rename. So after you do this, just go ahead and hit the enter button and you can see the rename has been done. Other way you can do this is hover around the chat, click on the three dots and you can see rename. Go ahead and tap on it, remove the thing which you have written and you can write something new. Click on enter and as you can see, the rename has been done. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.